Revant says that everyone knows R. Madhavan with his Maddie smile. But Maddie also has, like every human being, a good day and a bad day. So when you're really having a bad day, and you're really stressed out, and you're angry and upset with something or somebody, and there's this 2-3 fans who have just come to you to meet you, and they expect that Maddie smile from you, it's just so, you're human at the end of the day. I mean, how do you kind of overcome that? I mean, how do you do that?
Very, very good question. Yeah, it is true. We have our bad days, and it's important for me to recognize that I'm having a bad day. First of all, to know that I'm now jumpy and I might react in a manner that I shouldn't be. But as far as people who appreciate your work are concerned, see, the thing is, I could have walked through the hall and signed autographs for 300 people, smiled for 40 selfies, and have my eyes hurt because of the flash. But for each one of them, it's an individual experience. Yeah. The 312th guy cannot bear the brunt of my exhaustion till I meet him. I was an 8-year-old child in Jamshedpur, and my father, we were all living in a colony, and my friend was a cricketer. And there was a national level cricketer who had come to his house to visit the father, and there was a complete excitement in the society saying, oh, this gentleman has come and we have to take his autograph. And I, being an 8-year-old guy, wanted to just make sure I get an autograph. I didn't even know, honestly, who the guy was. But the idea of getting an autograph, like the rest of my friends were getting, was very exciting for me. I remember walking up to him, and he was sitting there having a conversation. I'm sure he had signed some 50 autographs by then, exhausted with the whole idea of being inundated by these kids who probably didn't even see him and know who he was. But I remember him talking to my host, and when I stood there and gave him the piece of paper, he just took it like that, and he had the paper, he signed it, and he gave it back to me without even looking at me.
Oh.
I'm not going to justify whether he was right or wrong, but it hurt me deeply, very deeply. And that day I remember saying, if I ever sign an autograph in my life, I will make sure I look at everybody's eyes when I sign the autograph. And somehow, I think somehow the forces of the cosmic energy made sure that I lived up to that. And I try my best to do it. I'm sure I might be grumpy sometimes and say a few things, but I really do not mean it as far as my fans are concerned.
Awesome, because I think that's the picture everyone thinks also about you, because the perception that I think your fans feel are, I don't think you come out as a snooty or a snobbish so I think this, the thing that's why you're such a good human being, and...
Oops, I got everybody fooled. Thank you. I'm not good at taking compliments, sorry.